Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bread in your food lab. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 cup of warm water. Accurate measurements are key to a successful loaf, so take your time with each component. This foundational step sets the stage for a perfect bake. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix them. Gradually add the warm water to your dry ingredients, stirring until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough vigorously for about 10 to 12 minutes. This crucial step develops the gluten, giving your bread its structure and chewiness. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. This is called proofing. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, you can shape it into a traditional loaf, dinner rolls, or any other form you prefer. Be creative with your design. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your shaped dough into the hot oven and bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Once baked, transfer the bread to a wire rack and let it cool completely. Patience here ensures a perfect texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.